Brad Williams, again, just another review. We're going to do some adding and subtracting of rows and columns. Here, we just have a parameter, B5 to C10. How many rows? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6. B5, C10. How many columns? B and C. 2. How many cells? 6 times 2. But if you want to do it the formal route, rows, take this information, B5 to C10, times columns, B5 to C10. I know it seems a little overkill. That's how you do it. This rows AA times columns 1, 1 will count all cells in a worksheet. Be cautious. Not in terms of the counting part, but in terms of the use. I'm going to show you a few examples, and they'll be highlighted in red as we go in, and it may be the sum product or the COUNTIF, probably sum product, where I show you an example where we're counting and we're using this structure of just AA or BB or B to C or something of that nature in a column. It's going to count everything. And what it does, if you have a letter down here in DD or somebody hid something from you in the last column and put something, some kind of text or something in there, and you keep throwing an error, that's why, because they use this ridiculous structure. There's 16,384 columns and 1,048,576 rows. Multiply those two together, and there's 17 million cells. Well, in terms of counting, that's fine, but in terms of application, I'm going to encourage you not to use it. Brad Williams, XL Prime.